Breaking news bafowethu, nasi starting 11 seKaizer Chiefs versus iGolden Arrows ku-MTN 8 la kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Ugoalkeeper kuzoba uPeterson, right back uThabiso Munyane, uInacio Miguel noZitha Kwinika bayaqala laphana emuva, and then i-left back again bafowethu kubuya yena uFrosler, Ntasingo ukhona esiswini noLebohang Mabuye noNgcobo. Then laphana phambili bafethu uVilakazi, uBatman, uDuba. Yiso-ke bafethu isquad esiqalayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yiwo amajita bafethu abheke laphana ukuthi athole ama-results serious indaba yokudlala. So I think uBatman uqala ngoba last game ube promising kakhulu bafethu, hayi kancane, ukwazile ukusibonisa ukuthi okay khona into angayinika iKaizer Chiefs kule game lena or this season, because siyambona ukuthi umfana usiphakamisile isandla. So uMtasingo into engiyibhekile mina from yena ukuthi akwazi ukuprotect amabhola, angawaluzi laphana esiswini, akwazi ukuwa-distribute kahle. As for uDuba laphana ku-number 9 bafowethu, umdlalo one-aggression, une-speed, ohlakaniphile, okwazile ukungena the previous game washaya 2 goals, so it makes sense ukuthi uDuba bamqalise. As for uVilakazi, I wish uVilakazi bafethu bambeke kule side leli ku-right wing, azokwazi ukukhatha kahle, because kula electrifying khona serious, ukhosa i-havoc if bambeke laphana, but if bazombeka ku-wrong position bambeke ku-left, ku-left uzobanika leyo nto leyo, but sikhumbule ukuthi uzoba unyawana, adlale ngenyawo elilodwa and angabi flexible kakhulu. So but isquad esi-promising lesi, noma i-first starting 11 e-promising considering ukuthi bakwazile ukuperforma kahle the previous game. I'm expecting iKaizer Chiefs lana bafethu ikwazi ukuwina. Before ngizongena ebhenchini leKaizer Chiefs bafethu ukuthi kudlala obani kungena obani, but asingeneni ku-squad seGolden Arrows, abantu abafiwe ngathi